I like to listen to music while I'm coding and making videos, but I don't like paying for Spotify or Apple Music. So here's how I use Linux to replace my music provider. The first thing we're going to do is go to Linux and open up the terminal. From there, we're going to run the command sudo apt update to update our package repo. Once our packages are upgraded, we are going to install a few dependencies. First, we're going to install Python and then install ffmpeg. Both ffmpeg and Python are required for this to work correctly, so please make sure you install them both. Once Python is installed, we're going to clear everything, and now we're going to install the tool that we're going to use to get our music. So I'm going to type the command sudo apt install Yt-dlp and install another tool called mpv. So this tool here we are going to be using to download our music from sources online, and this tool we are going to be using it as our music player. So typically you usually play your music from Spotify, where they have a really good suggestion algorithm, but I don't need any of that. I'm going to select my music manually. So once those two are installed, I'm going to clear everything again and I'm going to open Firefox. Oh, but first let's try to confirm if everything is installed. First we can say Yt-dlp and then version, and if you get this version here, then this tool is installed successfully, and then mpv-version. Both of our tools are installed. So I'm going to open Firefox here. In Firefox, I'm going to open a link to where I download my music. You can use any service or platform that is available to you, but the platform I like is this one here, because it's the platform I use to listen to my music anyways. But this way I can listen to everything offline. I don't have to have internet access in order to listen to my music, and I don't have to listen to ads. I really hate ads, so I don't want to listen to any ads while I'm coding. Sort of disturbs my vibe, you know. Once you have your link copied, you are going to clear everything and you are going to say ls here. You are going to cd into your desktop, cd desktop like this, and then clear everything and then say ls. In here we're going to make a folder called music, and within that folder we are going to download our song. So to download a song using Yt-dlp is very simple. You simply type Yt-dlp and then you are going to provide the link we copied from that website over there. So I'm gonna right click and click on paste from clipboard like this, and then click on enter, and this will basically just download that file into our music folder in our desktop here. As you can see, it is currently downloading an mp4 file, but you can usually tell it what kind of file to download if you specify. So here I didn't specify which type of file I wanted, so it downloaded the mp4, but I'm going to show you how you can download the mp3 file only. So once it is done, you can click on clear and click on ls, and as you can see, our song is available on our system here. It is available. In order to download only the mp3 file, you are going to need to specify the type of file you want. So you simply type Yt-dlp-x and then audio format mp3, and then again you paste the link that we copied from that website over there and click on enter, and you'll see this will extract the mp3 file and download it to your local storage. I can click on clear here and click on ls, and as you can see, our mp3 file is available here. I understand that downloading all songs one by one can be very difficult, so in order to download multiple files at the same time, you are going to need to make a list. So this is very simple. All you do is say nano video-list.txt like this, and then in here we are going to add a list of video files that we need to download. So I'll just paste this here. Let me click on control paste from selection and then click on enter, and then go back to Firefox. In Firefox I'm going to copy another song until I have as many songs as I want. So I'll click on this one here and copy the link, say copy, paste, and let's go back to the terminal, and I'm gonna paste that and then go back to Firefox again. I'm gonna copy as many songs as I want from this list here, right, and paste them into that video list over there. Once I have the required number of songs, I'm going to close up Firefox and then go back to the terminal. I'm gonna hold control and click X and then click on yes to save our file. And once our video list is saved, here, we are going to use it to download all the URLs listed within that file. I'm going to say Yt-dlp-a and provide the name of that video list. So I'm going to say video underscore list.txt and click on enter. And this will download all the files listed within this video list.txt file and put that into our music folder here. Okay, once everything is downloaded, we are going to clear everything again. Click on ls, and as you can see, all our songs are available here. In order to play all these songs, usually you just use MPV. To use it, you simply say MPV here, and then you provide the path to the file you want to play, in which case I'm gonna try to play this song first. So I'm gonna copy this entire thing here. Let's click on copy selection, and then let's click on paste and click on enter, and you'll see that this will launch our video file. Yeah. This is not playing in the background on the terminal because it's a video file. So usually I like to play the audio files, but we can just close that up. We can usually play multiple files by defining a playlist, and we are able to specify whether we want to stream the audio only or want to stream both the audio and the video file. So what I'm going to do next here is I'm going to go back to that video list we had. I'm gonna say ls here, and I'm gonna copy all these file names here, right? All of them, copy, and then I'm gonna go back to that nano.video list.txt, and I'm gonna erase everything here. Let's say click here and erase everything so that I can paste these files here. I'll just click on paste from clipboard, and let me see. All right, these are formatted correctly, so I'll just hold on Control, click on S, click on Y, and click on enter to save, and then run that command again. MPV playlist discuss the video underscore list.txt, like this. Click on enter, and you'll start to hear my music playing here, although it is too loud, but this usually starts up the music and starts playing my music in the terminal here, right? In order to play your music in repeat, you simply provide the flag loop along with the value infinite in addition to your playlist. In order to shuffle, you provide the flag shuffle. So it's very easy to use this thing to play your music, and this way you don't have to listen to ads, you don't have to have an internet connection to listen to your music, and most importantly, you don't have to pay anyone anything in order to subscribe to their music streaming platform. With that said, please source your audio files responsibly. I don't want you to do anything you are not supposed to do. Only do what you are allowed to do. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.